X and Y are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2. So there are two partners, X and Y. They are sharing profits in the ratio of 3:2 with capitals of 8 lakhs and 6 lakh rupees respectively. Okay, so they have contributed, X has contributed a capital of 8 lakhs and Y has contributed a capital of rupees 6 lakhs. Interest on capital is agreed at 5% per annum. So now we've got to calculate the interest on capital. Y is to be allowed an annual salary of rupees 60,000. Okay, Y is getting an annual salary, so there's no calculation in this. We can directly put the salary amount, which has not been withdrawn. Profit for the year ended 31st March before interest on capital, but after charging Y's salary is 2,40,000. So now this profit of 2,40,000 does not include Y's salary. Okay, in order to arrive at our net profit, we've got to add Y's salary of 60,000 to this. A provision of 5% for the net profit is to be made in respect of commission to the manager. Okay, now the manager's commission is 5% of the net profit. Okay, first we'll calculate the net profit. On this net profit, we'll calculate 5%. Okay, this 5% would be the commission to manager. Prepare profit and loss appropriation account showing the allocation of profits. Okay, let's start doing the sum. First, we leave some space for our working notes, and then we'll prepare the format of our profit and loss appropriation account. First, debit, credit on the other side. Profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended, whatever. Okay, format is particulars, amount, again particulars and amount. Rupees sign. Okay, let's begin. The first calculation would be for our interest on capital. So we'll write interest on capital for the two partners X and Y. X had contributed a capital of 8 lakhs. Okay, and Y had contributed a capital of 6 lakhs. So X interest would be 8 lakhs into 5%, that is 5 by 100, and for Y it would be again 6 lakhs into 5%. So we'll cut off the 0, this would be 40,000, and if you remove the 0, 6 into 5, this would be 30,000. Okay, we've got the interest on capital. Now this interest on capital, we'll record it in a profit and loss appropriation account. 2 interest on capital X and Y. For X it is 40,000 and for Y it is 30,000. So our total interest on capital is rupees 70,000. Okay, our next entry would be for the salary to Y. To salary Y, he's getting a salary of rupees 60,000. Then we'll calculate, we'll write our net profit. So this would be by net profit. Now the net profit direct figure is not given in the question, so let's calculate the net profit. We have a profit of rupees 2,40,000. With this 2,40,000, we'll add the salaries. Salary is 60,000, so our total net profit is 3 lakhs. This is our net profit. You can write net profit, and over here profit, add salary, write the amounts, and then bring out the total 3 lakhs here, or directly do the calculation in the working notes and just bring out the net profit of 3 lakhs here. It's up to you, however you want to do. Okay, after this, our next entry would be, once we get the net profit, we'll provide commission to our manager. So our next entry would be to manager's commission. Okay, manager gets a commission of 5% on the net profit. Okay, the net profit is 3 lakhs. Manager's commission would be 3 lakhs into 5%, 5 by 100. That would give us 15,000. So our manager's commission is rupees 15,000. Okay, now if we see which side is greater, the credit side is greater. Okay, we'll bring down the credit side amount on both the sides, but before that, let's write over here. Since our balancing figure will be on the debit side, okay, so we'll have a profit, 2 profits transferred to the 2 partners' name, X capital account. See, since the sum does not say that the capital is fixed, okay, we use the profits are transferred to the capital account. In case the sum, it's mentioned in the sum that the capitals of the partners are fixed, okay, in that case the profits will be transferred to the current accounts of the partner, X capital and Y's capital account. The total amount will bring it down. Now the balancing amount will be here. Three lakhs minus 70,000 minus 60,000 minus 15,000. So we have 1,55,000 is the total. 1,55,000 is the total profit that needs to be transferred to the capital account of X and Y. Now, in which ratio is it going to be divided? This 1,55,000 will be divided between the 2 partners, X and Y, in the ratio of 3:2. X will get 3 out of 5 parts and Y will be getting 2 out of the 5 parts. So how much will each partner get? 1,55,000 into, for X it would be 3 by 5, and for Y it would be 1,55,000 into 2 by 5. So X would be getting 93,000 and Y will be getting 62,000. Okay, so now over here we'll write down X capital is 93,000 and Y's capital account, how much do we get? 62,000 rupees goes into Y's capital account.